Here's how to troubleshoot a solenoid on a whole house humidifier.
I do have a video with more detail showing how to troubleshoot a humidifier. Click on the channel name and find the playlist titled Whole House Humidifiers to find it. The first goal is to cause the solenoid to open and allow water to flow. This procedure should work for most humidifiers. Ensure that the valve that controls the water that feeds into the humidifier is fully open. If it's a valve that turns, ensure that it's turned fully counterclockwise. A ball valve is open when the handle is parallel with the pipe. Expose the feed tube for the humidifier.
Raise the temperature setting to cause the furnace to call for heat. Cause the humidistat to open the solenoid by increasing the setting above the current humidity level. If the solenoid is getting power, you should hear a click, and there should be about 25 volts AC present. If operating properly, water should flow from the feed tube at the humidifier. If there is power at the solenoid,
and no water flowing or very little water flowing from the feed tube, the solenoid has failed and it's not opening the valve to allow water to flow through. If there's a saddle valve, there's a small hole in the pipe at the valve and it can get clogged, or the valve is clogged and it needs to be cleaned.
if you don't hear the solenoid click, and
if you don't read any voltage, then the problem is with the circuitry that feeds the solenoid.
if water constantly flows, the valve could be stuck open, or perhaps debris could be inside of the valve and it needs to be cleaned out. If you have a pressure reducing valve, perhaps it has failed and high water pressure is pushing water past the valve.
Those are some common problems found while troubleshooting a whole house humidifier's solenoid valve. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.